Hotel Glory is great. Nothing fancy, but the staff was very helpful and knowledgeable. Excellent room size. The best thing about this hotel is the large room sizes, and its proximity to Hapo Bus Terminal, which provides free buses to all Hakuba mountains. View, 47, Iwatake etc. For those content in skiing Hapo 1, it's a stone's throw from the gondola. The lower level has plenty of room to chill out and grab a coffee and make use of the free Wi-Fi. The hotel has its own male and female onsens, and although they are small, it's definitely better than not having them. Especially after a few crashes on the mountains. They also have a drying room and tune-up bench for any adjustments you might need to make. Room size was much larger than expected, although the shower/toilets were the typical Japanese size. Hotel is right in the middle of the numerous bars and restaurants of Hapo. Definitely a great deal, and the manager was extremely helpful. Great value in central location. Excellent for a sole traveler on a budget ski holiday. Hotel management we very accommodating. Ski holiday, great location in central Hakuba. Easy location, and staff are lovely. Breakfast is included. Sit-down service at either 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. Rooms are fairly spacious. For Japan, no shower though. You have to brave the public onsen. That's not for everyone. Storage room for boots and gear downstairs. The hotel does not look much from the outside but is perfectly fine. Very near stop 2 on the free shuttle bus runs, and 5 minutes walk from the main bus terminal in Lawson's 24-hour mini market. TV only shows in Japanese, so bring your own entertainment. Wi-Fi was fast and reliable. Lots of restaurants and shops nearby. 10 minutes walk to main Hakuba area near the gondola. Picture postcard views of mountain. Good location but no lift. If you have heavy luggage, you might need to consider. Convenient. The hotel is centrally located, being close to transport stops and shops/restaurants. The room we stayed in was dated but clean, and the onsen is a great addition. The staff speak limited English, but it's not really a hindrance and very accommodating. Big room, tiny tub. I got a room with a tub, but it was tiny, couldn't even extend my legs in it, needed a hot bath after skiing. The hotel is clean, spacious rooms, staff was friendly with functional English. Very easy access to Hapo 1 ski lifts, 5 minutes walk.